Hi everyone, this is Rima Kapadia. I want to share a great experience and a feedback with Dr. Preeti. I've been doing life regressions with her to make my issues and problems dealt with easier, and she always has solutions for it. I've had the best experience for the last 7-8 years. I maybe meet her once in about 2-3 months or 4 months as she gives me the appointment. That's how we kind of evaluate the issue. I had this sudden phobia of flying and swimming, and I love to swim. I love to be in the water, and somehow I just was getting extremely scared. She helped me through her life regression modality, and immediately one session we did and my fears were out, and I can't thank her enough. She's so amazing with her modality and the way she applies and how she makes the subconscious mind get rid of the problem and the issue without us knowing. And even in regards to my work, I couldn't work for a very long time. I didn't know what is stopping me, but the life regression session I had with her, the minute I had, within a week, not even a month, I had started some great work, and today I have a great brand, and I can't thank her enough for this. So thank you so much, Dr. Preeti. I am totally grateful to you for your time that you give me, and you help us resolving our issues without me even knowing the crust or the root cause of it. So thank you so much. And guys, you all must reach out to her. Her group sessions are wonderful, and so is her one-to-one session. So yeah, lots of love. Thank you.